All right, guys, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and today we're gonna do a quick and easy recipe. We all done had this before, but it's much better when it's homemade. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a homemade beefaroni. Y'all ready? Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go over our ingredients. Right here we have our macaroni shells, ground beef, diced tomatoes, beef broth. We have mozzarella and cheddar cheese here, tomato sauce, seasoned salt, smoked paprika, black pepper in this dish, tomato paste, some of that W sauce, oregano, basil, chopped garlic, chopped onions. Right here we're using some red and yellow bell peppers. Typically don't put this in this particular recipe, but I had some left over that I wanted to get rid of, so I'm gonna use them for this particular recipe. It is not gonna hurt. So that's all you need. Let's jump into it. So to start this recipe, we're gonna bring up a pot of water to boil. It's almost there. And once it comes up to boiling temperature, we're gonna salt it a little bit, add our pasta, cook it according to box instructions, 8 to 10 minutes till it's al dente. Then we're gonna remove it, drain it, and we're gonna sit it aside. So you don't need to see me do this. It's very simple, guys. We've all made pasta before. So we're gonna head over to our cooktop and continue. All right, so now we're at our cooktop. We're gonna bring this up to temperature over medium heat, get that pan really hot. Once that pan heats up, we're gonna start adding our ground beef. We're gonna start breaking that up, and we're gonna cook this all the way through until it turns brown. I'm gonna hit it with a little salt, just a little bit, a little pepper. And we're gonna continue to break that up as we go. Now, once your ground beef is brown, we're gonna go in with our onions, our red and yellow peppers, and our garlic. And we're gonna cook this for the next 3 or 4 minutes. Let those flavors come together. All right, so now after that 3 to 4 minutes, and we got those veggies softened and mixed in here, if you have any fat, you wanna go and drain it. I don't have any, man. I got some very good lean beef this time. It's no fat in here at all. So we're gonna continue. So now we're gonna go in with our tomato sauce, our diced tomatoes, our tomato paste, beef broth, W sauce. I'm gonna throw in some liquid smoke. I know that wasn't in the shot, but we're gonna do that. Oregano, basil, seasoned salt, smoked paprika, and black pepper. We're gonna get that mixed in real quick. Once we get that baby mixed in real good, we're gonna reduce our heat to simmer, and we're gonna allow that to simmer for the next 10 minutes. All right, so after 10 minutes, we are good. So now we're gonna pause our heat. We're gonna go in now with our macaroni pasta, and we're gonna get it mixed in here. Once we got it mixed, we're going to turn our cooktop off. Now guys, you could do one or two things. You could add your cheese right here to the top if you want to, and then cover it up, let it melt. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna take an additional step, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna head over to our cutting board. All right, so again, I forgot I wasn't recording. So what I did was I've taken a greased baking dish and I've added our pasta in here. We're gonna get this evened out. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. We're gonna take our cheese and we're just gonna start adding it here to the top of our pasta. All right, so we're gonna stick this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes till that cheese is melted and bubbly. All right, let's get it in the oven. All right, guys, so this is what we have after about 18 to 20 minutes in the oven. Man, this is looking delicious. And the only thing we're gonna do last, is we're gonna add some of that green stuff, which is that fresh parsley. Kind of liven it up just a little bit. And there you have it, guys. Easy homemade beefaroni. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a quick taste test. All right, guys, it's quality control time. Let's go ahead and get to it. Man, this thing smells and looks so good. Oh man, look at that. Oh man, the congregation must say amen. All right, man, let's go ahead and get to it. Oh man. Oh man. Let's get one more before I start talking. I know I lied. Let me get one more. Oh man, definitely one to add to your list. Simple, it's easy, it's quick. Doesn't take a whole lot of ingredients, and you can add and remove ingredients according to your liking. So definitely a good one to try. So guys, until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot. I say cook a lot. No. Him just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Peace. Yes, sir.